This was once a pretty hat, but after I wash it, the brim started curling up so that you don't have a straight edge of the hat anymore. So I'm gonna correct this problem by using a cotton. By the way, this is a fine linen yarn and size number 3 cotton yarn crocheted together. So that is the result of it after washing. So let's see if we can correct this problem, and I'm gonna use loops and thread, 100% cotton, and it's a size medium weight 4, and I'm gonna use a 3.75 middle crochet hook. So in order to reverse the tendency of this yarn to curl up, I'm going to crochet with wrong side facing up. We're gonna make single crochet on every stitch all the way around. So I lay the yarn, the tail of the yarn parallel to where I'm gonna be making the single crochet. I'm gonna hide the yarn tail as I crochet. Cotton has a lot of resistance when you're working with it, so the process is slow. So we're just making single crochet all the way around on every stitch. This loop and thread cotton yarn is a little bit bigger than the previous yarn I used for this hat. So I'll meet you and show you how this turns out. It looks better, but there's still a little bit curling there, so I'm gonna make another single crochet rounds, and this time with right side up. So because I'm crocheting with right side up, I'm gonna draw the yarn like so, drawing the loop up on the wrong side. Then I'm gonna turn the work and crochet all the way around. We chain one and we skip the stitch. Single crochet on every stitch, just like we did before. And I'll meet you at the end of the round, and I'll show you how the brim of the hat lays after the second round. Here is the hat after the second round, and no more curling up.